Gabby Chaves, Indy Lights and Deltawing driver. Today I'm going to be installing my CPE high pressure fuel pump along with my new CPE intake. I'll catch up with you once I'm a little closer to being done, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so managed to get the CPE high pressure fuel pump on. Install was pretty straightforward. Took me about an hour and a half. I'm by no means very mechanically inclined per se, so you know, if the motivation's there, I think anyone can do it. Intake was even easier. You know, just about done here. Just got to get the battery back in there and finish it all up, and we'll see how it runs. All right, guys, everything's ready to go. Let's see. Let's try to get the car started. Turned on right away. Everything seems good. Let's go check out the engine bay. Everything seems fine. Seems wrong. Sounds good.